So this is what post-flood recovery looks like when your house is completely gutted and everything is placed out in front of your front yard. It's pretty tragic to see an entire neighborhood that has fallen into this, but anyway, that's what it looks like. And now we start the repair process. Hey everyone, Carl Barnowski, Assurance Claim Services, and this is the aftermath of the flood that we were visiting yesterday. You can see this is a week old and it still has water in the living room here. And everything is being taken out of this place, 100%. All of the cabinetry is collapsed in this closet. And yeah, you can see that the water line goes up to here. So thanks so much for visiting. I will keep you informed on the progress of this claim as we go, but this is a mess. Have a great day.